Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Ticketmaster app won't let you sign in. So here's a troubleshooting guide for your login and account access. Fix 1. Force close and clear the app cache. Open your mobile device core settings menu, navigate to apps or applications and select the official Ticketmaster app from the directory list. Tap on Storage, select Clear Cache on Android to wipe corrupt temporary log data, and tap on Force Stop to completely kill the background process. For iPhone, you can alternatively swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher, swipe up on the Ticketmaster preview card to close it, and restart the app. Fix to update the Ticketmaster application. Open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Search for Ticketmaster and check the application landing page. Tap on Update if a new version is available, as Ticketmaster regularly blocks login access on older builds for API security compliance. Fix 3. Turn off active VPNs and iCloud Private Relay. Open your phone's Quick Settings or System Configurations panel. Turn off any active VPN clients, proxy servers, or ad blocking utility apps. For iOS users, go to iPhone Settings, then click on your name, go to iCloud, select Private Relay, and toggle it off, as anonymous routing layers regularly trigger Ticketmaster's anti bot firewalls. Fix 4. Disconnect from Wi-Fi and use your mobile data. Swipe down to access your mobile quick settings panel and toggle Wi-Fi off. Enable your cellular provider's LTE, 4G or 5G data network instead. Log back into the app using cellular data to bypass localized IP address bans or shared Wi-Fi bot detection triggers. Fix 5. Reset your Ticketmaster password. Open the Ticketmaster app login interface and tap the Forgot Password link. Enter your primary account email address and wait for the password reset message to arrive in your inbox. Open the email on your phone, click the link, create a new secure password, and try signing in again. Fix 6. Log in via a mobile web browser workaround. Skip the mobile application entirely if you are in a rush to access your entry barcodes. Open a mobile web browser like Safari or Google Chrome on your phone. Navigate directly to the official Ticketmaster sign-in page and enter your credentials. View your ticket barcodes directly from your browser dashboard or tap on Add to Apple Wallet or Save to Google Wallet for offline stadium entry. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.